Well, some of you have asked me what my setup is for my bike and my car. So, I have a two-car garage. I live with my parents still, but the bike stays in here during the winter. And during the summer, they switch spots, my car and my bike. So, that's about it. So the bike sits here for the winter, because I don't want to leave it outside or in the backyard or anything, so I leave it here. And I got enough room for like my weights up, but it's never used. It's more for like putting HIDs in and a little toolbox, pretty much tool top rather. And yeah, that's pretty much my setup for my storage of my car and my bike.